It is the country of all seasons, and all seasons are welcome with the same excitement. Similarly, like winters have started. When the winter word comes into our mind, we think of hot teas and bonfires. But ask ETP manager, what happens when the winter comes? In case of ETPs faces the worst breakdowns in all of the seasons, right from sludge bulking to COD shots to shock loads. Let us explore what happens during winters in ETP. The core reason is simple. Microbial activity goes down below 15 degrees Celsius. When bacteria become sluggish, the efficiency of whole wastewater treatment system crashes. So let's break down industry-wise what are the main reasons. So first category of industry is food, dairy and beverages. Food, dairy and beverage plants are prominent victims of winter. The reason is nature of the effluent is mostly organic. So what challenges they face? They face sudden rise in COD, increase in foul odor, increase in foaming and sludge bulking. Now let us explore the reasons behind it. High fats, oils and grease solidify in lower temperature. Indigenous aerobic microbes drop their activity in low temperatures. Shock loads become harder to handle. So let us explore what remedies we can do. First is add warm water recirculation in equalization tank. Increase MLSS and drop sludge wasting. Third is those winter-ready high-efficient biocultures. And last but not the least, increase dissolved oxygen up to the level of 3 to 4 milligrams per liter. Second category is pharmaceutical and chemical industries. These industries treat the toughest effluent, but in winter the tasks get even tougher. Now let us explore what issues they face. The microbes are exposed to more toxicity in winter. The nitrifying and denitrifying bacteria activity takes a hit, leading to sudden ammonia spike. There is also overloading and low settling in clarifier. Now let us see why it happens. Nitrification failure happens because nitrifiers are temperature sensitive. Also, sudden shock loads induce toxicity on microbes and leads to stress. Third is enzymatic activity drops down by 40 to 60%. The best remedy in this scenario is to add buffered nutrients and micronutrients. These micronutrients strengthen the biomass and makes them winter ready and keeps their efficiency intact. Also maintain pH between 7 to 7.5. Increase HRT if possible. Third category of industries is color and dye manufacture. Here we are not talking about textile industries because they already receive high temperature effluent. So what these industries face? First is the color removal efficiency drops. Also the COD reduction efficiency drops too. The third is there is excess of sludge generation in clarifiers as well as into the aeration tank. Dyes and pigments are recalcitrant. Due to drop in microbial efficiency, their degradation becomes tough. Low temperature also reduces oxidation potential, which is prone to filamentous growth in septic-like conditions. Increase aeration airflow. Maintain ORB between minus 50 millivolts up to plus 50 millivolts. And oxidative rich culture to break molecules. Stabilize effluent via EQ recirculation. Fourth category is municipal STPs and residential colonies. In winter, it is not just the AQI that increases but water pollution too. You will observe increase in foul smell, floating sludge into the drained water, higher humidity and high pathogenic load. Now what are the basic reasons for that? Incoming sewage becomes thicker due to fat solidification. Also, anaerobic zones develop as the aerobic microbial activity drops in 10 to 12 degrees Celsius mornings. So what are the best remedies to follow? Maintain DO levels up to 2 milligrams per liter. Add facultative bioculture and provide enzymatic shock dosing to recover faster. Winter is not the problem, but lack of preparation is. With the right microbial balance, aeration strategy and sludge control, any ETP can stay compliant even in the coldest months. If you are facing any such problems, comment in the comment box or contact us on mail or even on our cell phone. If you like our content, please subscribe to Wastewater Connect